Hello and welcome to this second Ambifi procedure walkthrough. Today we're going to be recreating this medical guidebook here. Pretty much just has a basic CPR procedure, and by no means is this supposed to be an actual CPR demonstration. I just found this online. It's got some pictures here that describe what to do, and once you get down here to has help arrived, it can loop back if help hasn't arrived yet and tell you to keep doing it until you finish, and you can just let the professionals take it from there. So go ahead and go into authoring, use a blank procedure, and let's give it the title of CPR procedure. Hit create, and let's go ahead and add a genre here for this one. Let's make it health and add a title image. So I've already got an image queued up here, just pretty much like a picture of CPR. Nice logo there, and just copy that and paste that in, and that'll be what the user sees when they're looking at all the different procedures they can use, kind of give them a better idea what it's about. So let's add a list here and say CPR and basic instructions. And for this first label here, let's say include some markdown, hashtag to make a header. Let's say recognize the emergency as the first step, and say tap the victim and shout, hey, are you okay? That's our first item there. And then secondly, you're going to want to activate emergency medical services by calling 911, and if there's a bystander, tell them to do it. And this one, we can actually add a little image here. I've got one saved on my laptop. Download, let's see, call. And while that's uploading, we can just add a new item. And let's make it check for breathing. And you can go ahead and make the other steps yourself. I'm going to skip ahead just to save some time in the video. All right, once you've got the rest of the procedure filled out, we're going to go ahead and add a yes or no item. This will just give a yes or no button that the user can press. And let's say here, has help arrived. And just give the user a little bit of information. Repeat the process until then. And here's where a little bit of linking comes in. Let's go ahead and go to the compressions and give this an ID so we can reference it. So give it the ID of, let's say, compressions. And has help arrived? For yes or no, you're gonna want to go down to the link section and say link on select. Check that box off. And for the yes link ID, if help has arrived, let's just say end. Make sure to use the hashtag for the ID. And then if you say no, hashtag compressions. And that'll make it go loop right back up to compressions. Let's add a last item and make sure to give it the ID of end. Let's say great work. Good job. Incredible bravery, face of danger. And let's give this, go down to advanced options and say, give it the ID of end. So now let's go ahead and save and see what we got here. Go to the home page to test it out. Here we go, CPR procedure shows up right there. There we go, recognize the emergency. It's got the pictures and everything. Let's check if this works out. Has help arrived? No. Oh, you know what? The reason it hasn't reset completely is because there's a little option there I forgot to go over. Let's go to the authoring section and hit edit again. So when you are using yes or no linking, or any linking for that matter, you can specify the action taken when you press a button. So there's a little link action section here. So go to won't reset any of the checks, go to and reset items in range will. And most of these are self-explanatory. Go to new session, we'll just restart with the new session, where we just want it to go to and reset the items in range so that you have to check them off again. So we'll go ahead and save that. And And once we check these off, now you'll see that when you press no, it'll reset all these items, so you have to check them off again. And then has help arrived? Yes. Great job. And then you can just exit out. So in the next video, we'll be going over a little bit how to style it and make it look a little bit cooler. Thanks for watching.